Hi, this is Dr. Robinson with another tech lesson, and today we're hitting Google Meet because a lot of people are having issues with their chat box. So you can tab to it. You can always tab to items, but I'm going to do Control-Alt-C to my chat.
Alt-Control-C, Meet dash tilde new, close button to activate, press enter, tab panel, send a message to everyone, edit, type in text.
And JAWS tells you to send a message to everybody, so I'm just going to hit hi. And I'm going to hit enter.
Hi, enter, Yahoo, 733 MI.
I'm going to hush them up. Typically, you can immediately up arrow right into the text right away. And when you cannot, then you're going to do caps lock P or PC cursor.
Virtual PC.
Now up arrow.
Send a message to hi.
Okay, hi. And you can continue to up arrow, then you down arrow again.
Send a message to everyone.
Enter, performance mode, back on.
Enter. A-G-A-I-N, again, A-N-D-A-J-I-N.
Okay, and hit enter.
Again, enter, again and again.
Okay, you can try up arrowing.
Hi, 7:33 a.m.
Perfectly. I'm going to tell you, it keeps flipping off and on. So once again, it's a technology. You just have to do problem solving. So down arrow.
Hi, again and again. Send a message to everyone.
Enter.
Enter. A-G-A-I-N, again, O-N-E, 1, M-O-R-E, more, T-I-N-E. Time, enter, again one more time.
Okay, once again, I'm going to up arrow.
Again and again. Hi.
And it's still working.
Again and again one more time.
Okay. But I'm going to tell you, it doesn't work fluidly. So as soon as you cannot up arrow into your messages, you just need to do PC cursor. And then, of course, you can navigate up and down as you need really easy.
Send a message to everyone.
Okay. Control D is mute.
Control D, your microphone is off. Control D, your microphone is on.
Okay. Control E will turn my video off and on.
Control E, your camera is off. Control E, your camera is on.
Okay. And then the other ones are basically just tabbing around your window. There's not as many hotkeys available in Google Meet as there are in Zoom. Okay, so that is how you do your chat in Google Meet. And of course, you can easily access your links also, even just going up there. And of course, once you're on it, you can do Alt-Enter, Control-Enter, or Applications key and open your links. Okay. That is how you do Google Meet chat.